How to minimize pathogens if you have children and chickens. So there is nothing cuter than seeing kids and their chicks or chickens. But believe it or not, the CDC does recommend that children under 5 do not handle chickens at all. This is because young children, due to their developing immune system, have a higher risk of contracting pathogens like Salmonella. I'm Dr. Mikayla, and today's video is about how to find safe and practical ways for your children and your chickens to coexist. So the safest way to reduce the risk of pathogen contamination from our chickens to our children is, of course, for the kids to not actually touch the chickens. Along those same lines, in a perfect world, young kids should not have access to areas where chickens poop. However, as you know, backyard chickens and children are very curious, and chickens are also a great way to teach our kids about food and caring for animals. So let's talk about some ways to help reduce the risk. Allow some interaction by having your children feed treats to your birds. This way they are around the chickens but not necessarily handling them directly. Also, keep a pair of outdoor shoes, especially for the coop. This way, if the kids accidentally step in some poop, they don't track it into the house. This can help reduce the risk of contamination. If your kids are holding chickens or chicks, keep a safe for kids hand sanitizer nearby that they can use right after handling. This can help decrease the risk of Salmonella infection before they even wash their hands. Then after the hand sanitizer, it's also really important to do a full hand wash with soap and water after any chicken time. Since chickens are carriers for pathogens like Salmonella, our risk of infection is related to the level of exposure and our level of immunity. Anything we can do to up our immunity and reduce the level of exposure is a win-win. More than anything, it's important to understand that there are risks when handling poultry or really any pet. And once you understand those risks, you can take whatever precautions you feel comfortable with, especially when it comes to our kids. For more information, visit backyardchicken.com. If you enjoyed this video, like it and subscribe to our channel.